First of all, take my cordial love and salam. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. What's going on? I hope that you are doing fantastic as well as I'm not bad. Alhamdulillah for everything. Right now I'm sitting down on this small path in order to practice English, in order to make a video. As far as you know, I'm English learner. That's why every day I am to make a video. Every day I am to describe what am I doing at present. Like this way I practice English every single day. Right now I'm sitting down on this small path alongside. As you can see, it has much water. You know that this is rainy season in our Bangladesh. For that, it has been drizzling since morning. It doesn't matter. I have no complaint about rainy season. Alongside, now I want to share with you. As you can see, this is refreshes vegetables. I have taken these vegetable from my field. It is so interesting for me. One of my elder brother, he request me, you can take some refreshes vegetables and you can give me. That's why I have taken 2 kg refreshes vegetables from my field. Because I can earn lot of money from my field. Alongside, like this way I describe anything in English. I don't waste my valuable time. I work in my field. Alongside, when I get free time, I try to practice English every single day. I have been working in my field for 2 hours. It is so difficult work for me. It doesn't matter. I am to work hard every single day. As far as I know, I don't have earning person in my family. For that, me and my mother, we are to work hard in my field every single day. It doesn't matter. Every day I have to work hard. It is so important for my family. If we work hard every single day in our field, we know that we can fit our body and we can fit our body and mind. That's why every day we try to come in our field. We try to work hard every single day. You know that I'm from countryside. From countryside I can speak in English. As you can see, there is a small canal. Its name Buritista Canal. Buritista Canal. It's located in front of my house. When I was studying class 6 and 7, that time I used to catch fish from this canal. I used to come in this canal. That's why it is so memorable for me. At present, I don't catch fish because I don't have enough time for coming here. That's why I don't catch fish. When I will be free, I will catch fish from this canal. If you want to learn English, if you are crazy English learner, like this way you can describe your daily activities, what you are doing at present, what you see around you, where you are going, where you are working. You try to describe your daily activities. Alongside, you can think in English every day. I hope that if you follow this way, success will come. Definitely you can speak in English confidently. If you fail today, it doesn't matter. Try again. If you fail tomorrow, it doesn't matter. You keep practicing every single day. Day after tomorrow, you can succeed. You can succeed. That's why you can practice every single day. I hope that success will come definitely. Today I don't want to make it more longer. Stay safe, stay your home this rainy season. See you another day.